Hi guys, I'm jaydee from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is the video of single pin picking a vintage American padlock sent to me by kind JD on our UK Locksport forum. So thank you so much, my friend. I noticed JD do a couple of videos the other day and commented fantastic old locks. He then realised I collected old locks and sent me this. It's going to look absolutely fantastic in my collection. So again, thank you, my friend. It does have working keys, so that's the bitting on the keys. I hope you can see that. It's 5-pin. Key retaining, as you can see. Locks back up. Key no longer working drawn out. Let's move that to one side because it's dragging all my bits and pieces out. Start at the back of the lock. Work to the front, very light tension, couple of little clicks. I leave the tension off till I get about 2 clicks, till I get to 1, and pops open. So to the back, tension on, just edge forward. There you go. So that's a lovely vintage American padlock, single pin picks. See if we push that back in there, the plug's not going to turn back round. So I'll do that. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.